52. In Ecclesiastes chapter 3, Solomon makes it very clear to us there's a time for everything. Our fast paced society keeps us busy focusing on being a good employee, a good husband, a good wife, being a good family member, focusing on our roles in the community. But we rarely take time for ourselves. If Solomon's words hold true, you must ask, when last did you set aside time for you? We invest into everyone else and every other thing besides ourselves. So much so that most people stutter at this simple question: what do you like to do for fun? So if you can't answer this, understand you are worth investing in. You are worth having joy in your life, worth taking time on. You see, God so loved the world, meaning you, that he paid the ultimate price. So you are worth the abundant life he came to give you. God bless you, Group 52. Have some good fun and have the best week of your life.